Have you ever been ignored by someone? Have you felt the sting of indifference? The silent rejection that makes you question your worth? But what if I told you, rejection is not your weakness, it's your greatest weapon? In this video, we'll unlock the power of reverse psychology, turning rejection into influence. You'll discover how to maintain emotional distance, improve your social status, never beg for attention again. This isn't just a strategy, it's a transformation. Imagine having the most power in the world. You control millions, make decisions that shape lives, and can do whatever you want. But with great power comes great struggles, dangers, conflicts, betrayals, and rejection. A life like this is anything but easy. Marcus Aurelius faced these challenges every day. At times, it made him feel small, even helpless. But he found strength in stoicism. It became his anchor, helping him navigate his troubles with wisdom and resilience. In this video, I'll show you how he used stoicism to stay strong, and how you can, too. Feeling ignored? It hurts when someone ignores you. It can feel like standing on shaky ground, unsure of where you stand. But their silence does not mean you should give up. Instead, use it to your advantage. By the end of this video, you'll understand their behavior and learn how to use reverse psychology to make them regret ignoring you. Strategy 13. Ignore them back. If someone ignores you, do the same. It may feel counterintuitive, but it works. Use this time to grow. Be patient and wise. Do not seek attention or play mind games. Instead, focus on your values. Build emotional strength. This is your story. Write it with dignity and self-control. Let this moment make you stronger, not weaker. Stay calm and in control. Stoicism teaches us to reflect, not react. If someone ignores you, do not panic. Stay peaceful and think about your actions. You can ask if they are okay, but do not force them to respond. If they continue ignoring you, remain calm. Do not let their behavior shake your confidence. Remember, you control your reactions, not theirs. What to do when a woman ignores you? Forget about her. Focus on yourself. Find new interests. Set personal goals and work toward them. Engage in hobbies, start projects, spend time with friends. Soon, you'll realize that her actions do not define your worth. Show your value. Instead of chasing attention, improve yourself. Be smart, kind, and confident. If someone ignores you in a conversation, stay composed. Speak with intelligence and respect. Do not beg for attention. Strength and character are more noticeable than words. Cut off contact. If a woman ignores you, stop chasing her. Do not text or call. Do not try to get her attention. If she does not reply, move on. Avoid eye contact. Do not force conversations. Respect her space and focus on yourself. Prove your worth. You are valuable. Show it through your actions. If someone thinks you're boring, surprise them with an interesting story. If they doubt your knowledge, let your actions speak. But if they continue to ignore you, do not take it personally. Keep improving yourself. Enjoy life. Do not sit around feeling sad. Go out and have fun. Watch a movie. Exercise. Take a walk. Spend time with friends. Try new things. Meet new people. A good life makes others see what they are missing. Boost your social status the Stoic way. Improving yourself is not about impressing others. It is about growing as a person. Exercise, learn, build your career, join social groups. Do it for yourself, not for approval. People respect those who work on themselves. Act like they do not exist. If someone ignores you, act like they are not there. Do not initiate conversations. Do not seek their attention. If you must speak, keep it brief and professional. If they persist in ignoring you, walk away. Give your time and energy to people who respect you. The power of silence. Silence is a powerful tool. If someone ignores you, do not react emotionally. Use the silence to reflect. Stay calm. Do not seek revenge or validation. Just focus on yourself and your peace of mind. Know your worth. Never beg for attention. Let them realize they lost something valuable. Stay confident. Pursue your passions. Do not let someone's silence define your self-esteem. Your worth is not tied to their acknowledgement. Be kind, but keep distance. If someone ignores you, be polite, but do not chase them. Say hello if necessary, but expect nothing. Keep your emotions under control. This is not about being rude. It is about protecting your peace. Stay confident. When someone ignores you, do not let it shake your self-worth. Keep living your life with confidence. Do not react with anger or sadness. Stay in control. True strength is remaining calm, no matter what others do. Final thoughts. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, our actions and mindset. Let go of what you cannot control. Stay strong, stay wise, and keep moving forward.